Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 144. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 5, 5 here. So 2, 9. And no help here. 2, 5, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And we can get rid of this 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5, 3 and 5 here. So this is our 4. 3 here makes this our 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 9, and no help here. 2, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so 3, 9, 3, 9. And that means that our 7 has to be here. If we look at this top row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, or sorry, no. Okay, made a mistake somewhere here. We need 3, 7, and 9. 9 can't be here or here, so it must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5. And so the 4 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. This, oh, Thought we had a leg up there, but we don't. All right, let's look at this row. We're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 2, 5, 2, 5. We can get rid of this 2. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. This 9 makes this our 6, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.